Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to spell check your text in Canva. Now, before we get started, there's one important thing to understand. Canva currently doesn't have a full built-in spell check system like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. But don't worry, there are still several easy ways to catch spelling and grammar mistakes while working on your Canva designs. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use browser spell check, AI tools, and extensions like Grammarly to make sure your Canva text looks clean and professional. Let's jump right in. First, open your Canva project and add some text to your design. For this example, imagine you accidentally type a word incorrectly. You may notice a red underline appearing under the word. That red line is actually coming from your web browser, not Canva itself. Browsers like Google Chrome automatically detect spelling mistakes when you type text online. So if you see a red underline, that usually means there's a possible spelling issue that needs attention. If spell check is not working for you, here's how to enable it in Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and go to Settings. From there, navigate to Languages. Inside the language settings, you'll find options for spell check. Make sure basic spell check is turned on. You can also enable enhanced spell check if you want more advanced suggestions. Another helpful thing is adding multiple languages if you work in more than one language. This helps Chrome recognize words correctly depending on the language you're using. Once spell check is enabled, your browser should automatically underline possible spelling mistakes while you type inside Canva. Now, let's talk about another option, Grammarly. Grammarly is a browser extension that checks spelling, grammar, punctuation, and writing clarity. Once installed, it works directly inside Canva and can help you spot mistakes more easily. For longer text designs like presentations, ebooks, or social media posts, Grammarly can be really useful. However, for smaller Canva projects, the normal browser spell check is usually enough. Canva also includes some AI-powered writing tools through Magic Write. To try this, click on your text and look for the Magic Write or AI assistant tools inside Canva. You can ask it to fix spelling or improve wording. For example, if a word is missing letters or spelled incorrectly, Canva AI may suggest the correct version. Sometimes the AI works perfectly, and other times it may give incorrect suggestions, so it's always a good idea to double-check the results yourself. A useful trick is to give Canva AI a very specific prompt, like "fix the spelling in this sentence," instead of using a general request. That usually gives better results. Another important tip is to proofread your design before exporting it. Small spelling mistakes can make even great designs look unprofessional, especially for business presentations, resumes, marketing graphics, or social media content. Reading your text out loud can also help you catch mistakes that you might miss visually. So to quickly recap, Canva doesn't currently have a full built-in spell checker, but you can still spell check your designs using your browser's spell check feature, Chrome settings, Grammarly, or Canva's AI writing tools. These methods help you catch spelling and grammar mistakes so your Canva projects look cleaner and more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.